Where are the hostages?
Fuck you, bitch. Ah! My knee! God, it hurts!
I'll ask again. Where are the hostages?
Jack got him up by the statue. He's crazy. He's loading the supplies onto a ferry and rigging the whole place to blow.
Mercy kill. We're out of time.
What the hell? We're SHD. This is not how we do things. That man was unarmed.
You think he'd hesitate to pick up another gun and shoot us in the back? Safer this way. Let's move. We're losing time.
Get us out of here!
I'll cover from here. Damn. You'll need to defuse that thing. I'm not great with wires. Look how it's connected to the door. We can't get those people out unless you disarm it.
Don't leave us in here!
Nice. EOD was never my thing. Let's get him out.
Sarah? Oh, thank God you came.
Would never leave you hanging, Doc. Agent, meet Doc O'Neill. A genius researcher I'm proud to call my friend.
I'm grateful to you both. Did you catch that freak, Jax? He's over by the ferry, I think.
He's next. We'll catch up later, Doc. Let's move!
You bastard!
I'm too exposed here!
Oh my God!
One down!
Damn it!
Want some of this, huh?
Too late to run! Yeah!
I'm hit!
Make a move!
Got him!
You heard?
One reprobate got lucky. My aim's busted.
We gotta stop Jax. I'll go after him, and you escort the civvies to safety.
Crafty bastard, so watch your six. Cigars are on me when you get back.
Kelly here. The hostages are safe, and the doc too. Now, waste that clown and we'll call it a day.
gotcha?
No, you didn't.
Oh, but I did. You and your kind. Your days are over. Society is just a sham. All it took was a hyped up flu to tear it all down.
You're wrong. We'll get through this. We'll rebuild.
Yeah, you tell yourself that. Lucky for you, Santa came early this year. Merry fucking Christmas!
Morning, Agent. And it actually is morning, too. Good timing. Your vitals look good enough. How about you try and sit up for me?
How long?
Well, you missed Santa. Not that there was much to miss. And the following weeks, too.
I've been out for a month?
And change. Yeah, you're damn lucky Dr. O'Neill was there when they fished you out of the water. It'll be a while before you're fully recovered, but better you get back on the horse than lie around here. Besides, we need the bed. They put what they could salvage of your gear in storage. Might want to pick that up first. And then Fei Lao wants to see you over in Ops. It's not over, you know. Not by a long shot. You'll have your hands full.